Hi, I'm Peter Wade, UK Sales Manager for MEGGER Limited. We've been talking about how to update the X1. I'm actually now going to show you how to update the firmware physically. First off, you need to go onto the website and download the latest version of our website, put it onto a micro SD card, okay, and then we need to put that into the unit. Now, first off, we'll just check the version numbers, moving the meter to the settings, and scrolling down and across to the last setting will give you the version number. And we're at version number 8 on this setting. What we can do now is turn the unit off, remove the battery, make sure the battery is fully charged, otherwise we might have problems when we start the actual update. And in the base of the unit, there's a screw, so you'll need a screwdriver, posi drive, remove the cover, now the L-shaped plastic doesn't come out fully. You have to be careful that it's connected in. There's a retaining strap on it to ensure that we don't lose it. Once we have the cover out like that, there's a small SD card slot in the base there. We've also provided one of these grippers as part of the kit. If you hold that on to the card like so, you can then slide in the card. The table's very slippy. So forth, release, and push in as you would normally lock it in. You then have to put the unit back, put the battery back in, and then just turn on the unit to any setting. It will recognise that there's a card in there. And you press test to start the download. So now we're downloading it up to version 8.1. So this will take 4 or 5 minutes, depending on the version of what it is. Okay, so you can see it's progressing slowly there, percentage-wise. It's a straightforward download. Downloads the software onto the circuit, and then it will upload it into the system. So it's two parts of the upgrade. So it's jumped to the final setting there. And now it's actually uploading the data onto the system inside. So there we go. The firmware's updated. It says it on the screen that it's updated. All you need to do now is turn the unit off, remove the battery, and take out the card. The unit won't work with the card in it, so you do need to remove it. Again, just release the card and use the gripper to get it out. There we go. Put it all back together. And then turn it back on. It's all there. Go to settings. And it says version 8.1. So that's the up-to-date software on the website. Now, if you've only updated from version 2 to version 8, you've not missed out any of the others. It's all in one upload, so you get all the updates that we've previously launched, so you don't miss any out if you go from the last one to the first one. And that's it. It's ready to go.